guys, today we're shopping in Walmart. Thank you so much to Birch Benders for helping make this video happen. I'm so grateful for you guys. Let's do it. There are some Walmart stores you have to know about. And I won't wait for sale. The florals here are fantastic. And they are so affordable. Look at this. You could make an entire wreath with this, just $3 a sprig. They also have really realistic looking sunflowers. I like these a lot. Oh my goodness, you could do so many beautiful DIYs with these. This eucalyptus is just $2. I love these flower combinations. These would be so beautiful on a wreath. I mean, look at this color combination. This is so simple and beautiful, and these are $3. The burlap here is the best deal around. This is so awesome for wreaths. Their wreath forms are also the best deal around, especially with all the Dollar Tree DIYs and stuff. These are just $4.74. Whoa, silk plant cleaner? I wonder if that works. This just makes my heart so happy. The Pioneer Woman has a whole line of kitchen supplies at Walmart. And you guys, they are so cute. Have you guys seen these? You have to let me know in the comments down below. Look how beautiful and classic these are. Wow, this is a great deal. You get 6 pieces, these serveware bowls, and they come with lids. Love that. Okay, I have said this for years, but the #1 secret to keeping your kitchen cleaner is having a shop block that is always out, that's really easy to clean when you're cooking and baking, and probably the best place to get it is Walmart. They're beautiful, super easy to wipe down. I always have one of these out on our counter. Pioneer Woman has an Instant Pot and a crock pot. Oh, you guys. I'm in the back to school section, and this is such a good time to get some amazing deals on things like this. Everything here is just 98 cents. Better deal than Dollar Tree. And they have bento box lunch sets. So cute. I love these lunch cubes in bright colors. So you guys remember in other vlogs I've shared, one of my favorite day-to-day planners is the Happy Planner, which you can find at Walmart. You can get these packs for really cheap. And brand new product this year, they have bullet journal Happy Planners. These are gorgeous. They have mini ones too, and lots of sticker options. And one of my favorite things is getting some of these inserts so you can plan out your day by time. As a former teacher, one of my favorite obsessions are felt tip pens. Once you write with a felt tip pen, girl. I have been eyeing this online for so long. A 3-tier rolling cart is just $29. Wait a minute. And they have it in white. Look at these organizational bins. Some pull tassels. Those are cute. I like that. Look at this giant poof. This is $20. I think this is super cute. This actually would look really good in Owen's room. They have them in gray too. These are nice. I love the lanterns at Walmart. They're some of my favorites. These, that's my hand for scale, are huge and so beautiful. So if you want to create a gallery wall, Walmart is not the first place you'd think to come, but they have so many awesome options. Walmart and their frames are next level awesome. Look at this. This is $4. Really, really nice. And what's a shop with me video if I don't get to show you what I got? When I came home, I really felt like I got back from Pottery Barn. First, the fall foliage. I wanted to redo the centerpiece from summer on our dining room table. I put this display together for just 20 bucks. I just cut down all the stems to put them in individually. This would retail for hundreds of dollars in store. I had to get the chop block. It was half the price as it was online, along with the copper mugs. And of course, I totally had to pick up the Pioneer Woman bowls. I've used them almost every single day. And I picked up the measuring spoons as well because we needed some new ones. Here I'm making my favorite pancakes. They're by Birch Benders. They're non-GMO, paleo, sugar-free, dairy-free. I talked about them in a recent self-care video, and Birch Benders emailed me asking me to let you guys know that they were available at Walmart. Affordable and a family favorite for us. You like it?
That's a really good pancake.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments down below where you'd like me to shop next or the favorite deal that you saw in this video. I can't wait to show you guys my planner setup and how I get that all organized. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next video. Subscribe so I can see you there. Bye!
So, what is this again?
It's a rolling cart.
Oh. What are we going to do with our rolling cart?
I'm going to use it to organize. I promise it's important, okay?
Okay.
Are you
put
putting
it together.
Love you, babe.